Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So the Ethereum chart has actually followed quite well here the roadmap. We've seen our, well, either our E wave down in the purple scenario. Now that would be wave E of wave 4 of a, let's say, of a triangle pattern. We talked about that only in yesterday's video because we are exploring the idea of a larger Elliott wave triangle, which started here in March with an A wave down, which might have bottomed here in April, 13th of April, a B wave corrective rally into the May highs, a C wave down into the July lows, the D wave recent top, and now an E wave down. And then we could start to see now a rally next. If really the wave 4 finished, so the wave 4 as a triangle, normally we would expect then the next rally to be quite impulsive, because typically these break to the opposite side of the E wave, these triangles. That would mean to the upside, and typically we would see a rapid move up. So we'll see if that happens. So far we have a nice reaction to the yellow support zone that's defined between $3,160 and $2,956. It is also possible that a more bullish interpretation, well, not necessarily more bullish, it's actually very, very similar in practice, just a different way of looking at the chart, different way of understanding the chart. In this white wave count, the wave 4 bottomed already here in a flat correction on the 5th of July. The move up was a wave 1, okay? The move up was a wave. I need to change the wave degree here just now. 1 second. So the move up was a wave 1, the pullback a wave 2. And yeah, I mean, we could now be in this third wave to the upside, which would be a 5-wave pattern. So like this, yeah. But we would need to see how exactly the microstructure develops. That's unclear at this stage. But then we have a wave 1, a wave 2 pullback. Note here that the wave 2 pullback was quite sharp, bit unusual, and the wave 1 wasn't clearly a 5-wave move. So we have to, I think, be open. We have to be open to, to which pattern exactly is unfolding. Is it a wave 4 in purple? Is it a wave 2 in the white count? And then, it doesn't really matter so much because in both counts we would watch for higher prices. And this assumption that we might have bottomed, I mean, it's currently a thesis. It's not really confirmed yet. We need a break above the 22nd of July high at 3,570 pretty much to confirm that we've bottomed. But first indication would be another 5-wave move up as shown here. There's a micro count. The price is trying to break above initial resistance. Hasn't done it yet. Also hasn't clearly formed 5 waves yet. I'd like to see at least one more push higher here to get to wave 1 of a larger third wave. Then the subsequent pullback, if we get a deeper pullback, it needs to hold above the 25th of July low. I mean, that's really the key level, the invalidation point for any upside move from here. Okay, if it happens, we might test, 3,074 or 2,956 just in a larger wave 2 or a larger wave 4. So wave 4. I mean, the pattern hasn't, the scenarios haven't changed. I've added here a micro count to a possible wave 1 to the upside. That is speculative. The microstructures here to the upside are not particularly clear, but this could be a first impulse that we're working on to the upside, and one more high would be ideal to form a proper 5-wave move. And then we will watch for a wave 2. I will add a support area once I see a local top in place. I would call that wave 2 support. No point doing that now because wave 1 probably hasn't even topped yet. So I see this movement from the Thursday low as an initial 1-2 setup. Can go to the 30-minute chart. Initial 1-2 setup. The third was a bit short, but as long as it's not the shortest one, it's fine. Then we had a wave 4 probably as a running flat, and we could get one more high in wave 5. Then at least we have a 5-wave move. And then we can watch for support for the next pullback. And if we then form a higher low, that's how the confidence builds in that we have a bullish scenario here that's unfolding. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.